Yeah, you get it, bro.
Just imagine this thingy sheet opening up. Oh. Holy smoke. Yeah, buddy. Hyundai, 2, Cosmo, 3. What more do you want in life? Ah. Holy shit. Wow.
Cosmo, holy shit.
Excellent.
Okay, man. You want to be on camera? You want to be on camera? Should we pull the cameras off here right now? Yeah. So this is the Mazda that we got in out of California. Been parked in a barn for I don't know how many years, but it was solid. And basically we've just tried to restore it back to original without touching it too much. And she's a good runner, and it's all road legal, and it gets driven every now and again. Bro, go and get your jumpers on, boys.
Yeah.
Boys, both of you grab your jumpers on. And
Gee, fucking neat. Yeah, that's neat, man. Cool.
It's a factory 13B. It's got a 48mm IDA on it, and
Oh,
so it goes real good. Do we want to? Let's start with this, Charlie. So we'll all sort of talk together about the cars, some of the things that you guys noticed, yeah? Oh, shit. All right, boys, let's start with this. What is it? That's I think it's a 1974 Repu. Yep, it's fairly original. We've just put some wheels on it to go with our work vehicles and some stickers to look like an old work car. It's rotary powered, yeah? Rotary powered, 13B. Most of it's the original paint on here. Can we have a look at the, because these only came out to States, I believe. Yes. Yeah, I've got a friend in, we've restored all the underneath the vehicle, it's all mint runner, and it's really good condition. Really, have you ever played with any of these at all?
No, not these, no.
It's pretty original apart from the carburetor. Can we start it up? Actually, can we start a couple of them up when we go through? Yeah? That'd be awesome, boys. Yeah. So what do you guys use
seaters on it?
Is this a sort of runabout or?
What's with the third coil?
No, it is, but it is a third coil. It's got a wasted spark setup, maybe.
Yeah, it's got a good theme. It's sort of
It's some sort of wasted spark setup, I think.
Trying to keep this looking fairly
Because that's the Dizzy that I was telling you about, remote igniter pack ones.
That's a cool thing. Yeah, let's see.
The odd thing about this is the coil setup. Is
Yeah,
really
that's
looking,
what Bill and I were just admiring.
that's how it's come from the States.
Oh,
So
okay.
we sort of just left it like that.
Yeah, it works.
Works awesome.
Yeah, use it.
Yeah. We'll give it a fire up.
Yeah, nice. Nothing beats the sound of these, I think, for the induction. What do you guys sort of think about the carb?
Yeah, I'm IDA man.
It runs really nice.
Yeah, man.
Real nice.
So are you guys rebuilding, because I know you're working on the rotors, do you get into that side of things? Or?
We don't rebuild the engine. Steve's done a couple for us. That's about it really. Most of them are, we do all the mechanical stuff apart from the engine. Not really anything specialist, so we do whatever. But this one came, and apparently that's a 13B tool port.
Oh, yeah.
What's the difference in that one?
The center plate, when you look at the center plate straight away, there's no, the other small center plate has like a EGR setup or like a cover, so the tall port center. I don't think they come in, the tall port iron only came in 12A tall ports, so someone's probably built that motor in the States, but maybe, I don't know, but it's, I believe, you know the other iron like in the van, that's the sensor that's supposed to be in those motors.
Learn something every day.
What was the reason behind that, Charlie? Like, was it more power?
Emissions. So I think with the Repu name as well, it's on the tip of my tongue, but rotary engine.
Stuff going on. I think the billet engine would be a lot stronger,
Yeah.
material wise.
Has a lot of all the oil feeds probably opened up, and like in the center irons, the direct oil feeds as well. Whereas the OEM stuff, you got to modify all that crap. whereas this is just ready to rock and roll. And
What's
boogie.
your take on it, Billy?
I think, you know, yeah, they're better. They're better, but you still get the same power out of both of them if you put the same amount of horses into it, you know, really. But I think this end up being more reliable and better eventually, you know. But there's nothing wrong with the old stuff, you know, like.
They do look gangster. I mean,
Oh, and they're just
Mega sex appeal, isn't it?
It's it is. Yeah, sex appeal is.
Bit of jewellery in there.
Tricky to start this up.
I think it's California or LA. It had been in a barn for a long time. And it looks like it used to get towed behind a motorhome on an A-frame.
oh, for real.
It had an A-frame that was on it when we got it.
Oh man.
What's going on with the wheels? They aftermarket boys?
So they came on.
Break the window.
Out there? Yeah. I can leave it there.
Yeah, I was going to say, yeah.
They came
Wow.
on. The original
Check out the
wheels
fade
were
on the
removed
side.
at some stage.
Can we have a look underneath the hood?
Sure.
And the front grille as well. What's going on with that?
Oh, that's normal.
For R100.
R100 grill, it's American market R100 grill. That's the original grill.
I got a weird feeling it's like a Presto or I'm not 100.
Yeah, but Presto didn't have the little dips, but even look at that, it's got the dips in that there. That's rare, isn't it? Like,
that would be the one
never
I asked.
seen.
So your normal R100 has an oval headlight that is straight across.
That'd be cool.
American market.
So that was the American one there.
See all the paint's original.
Yeah, it looks.
Yeah, so you
Like
know,
where they've
a lot of it is.
See how they've maybe chopped it and.
Yeah, she's quite worn. But I guess that's the appeal with it. And that's an old 10A. And still goes really well.
That's
Sweet.
Yeah, California.
Yes.
Yeah, with the dashes.
Yep. We've opted to sort of leave that like that. It sort of tells the story. The dash crack.
Sure.
Does it start?
Yeah.
Do you want
It
to
hasn't gone for a long time.
See if the battery
Series 1 wheels, eh? White wheels too.
She's fine.
Been a long time.
Yeah, take it over. Sometimes that's impressive that it even sounded like
Battery.
Jump start.
It hasn't gone for at least 6 months, so
I'll leave it that way.
it probably needs the battery charged up. It's about
Can we
this much.
lift the it's
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Alright.
Don't ask me to start this one.
No. Which one is the owner? Is it the same owner for all these?
He owns all of these.
And which is the one that gives him the most joy? There's always one car.
Probably
like
this, to be honest.
The Kawasaki Dream. Man, when I was at high school, bro, this was the car, like a green RX-2. It was this gangster. I probably.
So
Was
we
this
haven't done
built
anything to the bodywork on this. The bodywork's how it came, but we've done a lot of other stuff to it.
So is this from Sydney?
No, this one's from New Zealand.
Okay.
This was, once again, I built this one in New Zealand. Out of all the parts through Pack New Zealand.
Okay. Can we have a look? Oh, this is fresh. This is Rotaro's.
Yeah, this is the same build as the RX-3.
Yeah. Have a look and, oh wow.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, yowza.
Oh wow.
Oh, this is.
That's a
proper.
Pack.
Pack built, man.
12A tubes as well.
Oh, 12 it.
Oh, sick.
Now these Elite. What do you guys think of that? What's the? Have you guys had much to do with it at all?
I don't get much to do with them, but
6
they're cool.
years. Yeah, same again, cost thing. Your JC Cosmo manifolds are going for ridiculous money. They're really hard to find. These are another good aftermarket option, and they look really good.
Yeah, that's so what else? So drive-by wire.
Fly-by-wire, yep.
Drive-by. It's
Drive-by.
drive-by. I'm on a mission because I went to Haltech and I spoke to it's drive-by. Yeah, because I was saying fly-by.
I've always said fly-by as well.
Drive-by, 100%. Yeah, boys. You guys don't worry about drive-bys.
No.
Oh,
You
don't.
just do send it.
It's a bit too flash for me.
Yeah. Oh, this has got an auto. What C4 or Jacko?
C4, yes.
C4. Bill housing.
It's got the 9-inch in it as well.
Yeah, it's bad. It's
It's got all
bad.
the big freight package, the Simmons,
Yeah.
all the gear.
This would be a really fun car to drive this.
Pretty fun,
Oh.
alright. I'll start this one up too, eh?
Yeah.
This has got the big brakes.
Big brakes, everything.
Big drop tank in it.
Yeah, big drop tank.
Yeah.
Almost 90 already.
Remember how to do it?
What a view there. Right.
What a garage.
Get the wheel pusher up.
So good. It sounds beefy. Charlie, like it sounds.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is bad, eh?
A hell of a lot about the Cosmos. All I know is they made a certain amount and there's not many left in the world.
Yeah,
So-
well, I never knew that there was long or short.
Yeah. All I know is from my mate Tony Marcavina. You must know Tony Marcavina.
Yep.
He's Series 1. There's a Series 1. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I know about it.
Mate, which one's your favourite car? The one.
None of these.
Really?
Oh.
Okay, out of the
rotaries.
Out of the rotaries.
Oh, I like the RX2 because it's auto. Rick doesn't like the auto, but I like it because it's auto. Yeah, there's no real favourite. Probably RX2. Probably the RX2. I like the RX2.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so when you say hardly drivers,
So that's
is
an
it
all alloy
carb
T8.
bake?
The whole
Because
lot.
I'm noticing this more and more.
No,
No,
oil
I
housings
get
or anything.
more enjoyment out of building them.
Just came out of a collection in Japan, this guy.
The crazy bug bloke we can you
No,
take no, underneath it, little tap bug and bleed it out and stuff.
Everything, and it's real interesting because it's the earliest design of the motor, but yeah, like the canvas fans child, water pump housing's different, dizzies are up on top,
Yes.
totally different.
We're going to try and keep this original way of that car.
Yeah,
See, that is more what we,
yeah.
it's closer to the setups that we would know about. No, that's awesome too.
I'll open the door.
Like you put the benchmark up there.
This RS Focus, I must have bought it for my birthday last year. Not really significant. Oh no, put the other one up. Rick.
So the R, you'd say that?
No, my favourite one's the Oldsmobile. Oldsmobile.
Oh, yo, smoke.
It's on airbags, it's got a 350 Chevy twin turbo,
Oh, it's
650 horsepower.
it's fucking dangerous. Oh my god.
Oh, it was one of the first hot rods I built. So I bought the shell off a guy. He's in the Air Force. I bought it off him probably
Right, what a weapon.
probably 10 years ago, and my ex-wife made me sell it, and I bought it back from the guy I sold it to, like 6 years later, only a couple of years ago.
So what is it? It's an Oldsmobile.
So it's a 48 Oldsmobile. It's had a 4-inch storage shop and a 4-inch roof top, and it's on airbags. It's all World War suspension, all modern diff, rear end. 350 Chevy twin turbo.
Obviously, it's
And what is it? Because I'm looking at this going, it's rad, and it's got an NZ.
DT3. DT3 or Cayman, just a turbo. Nothing.
my build as well.
Over the top
Have to
race
get our
spec.
whole
Because I
integrated
don't see any black
inspectors
time
and-
around here.
The theory was if you can't go down, go up.
I'm just jumping around to my life.
Just watch your heads on that.
Yeah, you like building them.
Fuck, that thing's very bad, eh?
Yeah, just like
They've got used a couple of times.
The GT40 I'm not made off trade me.
You remember?
16 months ago. The GT4 this.
What's the little shell over here? That one. It looks full on. Is that an escort?
Is
Oh, look at this. This Escort. Is this Escort or Datsun?
Nah, Datsun, but
Datsun 180B.
So many photos of it. That's a real old historic race car.
Okay, no,
Is that a replica GT40? Yeah. Is it a tube chassis? It's a tube chassis that you buy.
The kit is a GT40 developments kit out of England, as far as I can work out from the paperwork. And then someone's bought it and done their own stuff to it. It's become an unfinished project.
It's a bit of a, some of it looks a bit ugly, but it's, the bones are there to make a pretty cool car.
Yeah.
And we've got the engine over there, the GD.
It's all 350Z rear end in this as well.
Fucking yeah, it's bad.
And RX8 front stuff on it.
Oh, yeah, front cover.
Yeah, man.
Oh, the blueprint.
It's a blueprint engine, yeah. So yeah, that's all RX8 front end. RX8 Mazda Miata, I think they call it in America. Bolt-on brake kit.
You're right. You said it right to me out of bro. Yep.
Yeah. I'm just installing radiator, electric water pump, electric power steering.
Cool.
Redone all the suspension because we've put 19s on it instead of the 15s.
Just spraying it all out, changed all
Just
that.
to get it to the right height and the right ratios, yeah.
Cool.
And just fabricated.